Hey, it's Alan again. We're going to talk a little bit more about the 2021 kitchen project that I spoke about yesterday. Again, I'm filling in for Jenny. She's out of town, so let's get right at it. So today, as you can see, they've had a lot of progress. All the cabinet doors have been replaced, as you can see, and it looks pretty nice. They still need to add, I think, 2 more coats over there, but it's pretty close to being ready to go. Over here you see the countertops have been removed. Part of the island has been removed. Today they were running some electrical wires here. They're going to rewire the island so it can be some different outlets and such. I don't know about all the details of it, but still some wiring taking place. Over there all the countertops have been removed. New wires are going in, and as you can see right there is a vent pipe for the vent hood that's going in above the stove. So tomorrow, also no sink. So tomorrow, what's going to happen? We're going to have the island finished. We're going to put the new countertops and the sink. New countertops over there. Let's go over here. The new faucet. So a whole lot happening tomorrow. I can't wait till tomorrow night to kind of give you a taste of where we're going. And then after we get all that installed, we have to cover everything up so we can start the painting. So that's really all I have for tonight. Thank you. Have a blessed night, and we'll talk again tomorrow.